How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly restore your website in Hostinger. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So you guys may want to do this for a deleted website that is hosted by your Hostinger account under the H panel. Maybe the servers for that website were down at the time or something bad happened and you're looking to restore your website. So to actually do so is quite simple. And the first thing that we're going to do is head on over to our Hostinger account and we want to log in as an administrator under H panel. So once you guys are here, once you're at the dashboard, you can either click on websites or domains depending on what you want to restore. So I currently don't have a web hosting plan enabled for my account, but I do have a domain. So we're going to do just that. We're going to click on domains. And once you guys are here, you want to click on get a new domain. And you want to input the URL for that website or domain that was down. And what's going to happen here is Hostinger is going to start the restoration process for that domain. And we're basically just going to let Hostinger work its magic. And the same procedure can be done for websites. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it would look like. So we're going to re-add our domain. Under the websites tab, there should be an option that says add a website. So once you guys are here, it should take you to this page here where it will give you two options, create or migrate a website. Now we're going to skip both of these and click on create an empty website. So once we're here, we'll be met with four different options being restore website, which is what we're looking for, or files backup if you have a copy of it on your computer. So depending on what resources you have, if you guys have a database backup to actually upload or import to Hostinger, then you can do this. Or you can do files backup if they're raw files, or restore website using FTP if you have it stored somewhere else. And normally, the restoration process can take up to 15 minutes depending on how heavy the load is and how big your website is. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. That's how you can restore a website in Hostinger. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.